How you doing, everybody? Jonathan here, and in this video and in 5 minutes less, I'm going to tell you that why, as a personal trainer, you should always charge more. All right, and this is going to be very important because a lot of times when you're in the game, you're low on confidence, and there are just conflicting ways of viewing your tenure as a trainer, where you just want to get clients in, so you charge less than everybody else, but you don't want to be looked at as the cheap trainer that people go to because you're going to have a situation like I ran into yesterday. So I was only hot about it for like 15 minutes, but I was hot about it nonetheless. So long story short, I have a gym, and then my gym is $197 per month for boot camp training. And there's a new gym, one town over. They've been open for like a year. And I was just checking out their page. They actually do great work as it relates to marketing their stuff and their Instagram reels. They're social media savvy. And so I checked them out. I checked out their page, and they were charging like $260 a month. Now, even though they're in a much smaller space, and they can only fit like, 15 people in a class, I was like, people are actually paying this. There are some classes where it's quite large. And so as I was thinking about it, I was like, wow, I'm being such a great guy by charging a more affordable rate. And I can't tell you how often when I have people call in for my program, I tell them it's $197 a month, and they're like, oh, that's all? And I just kick myself every time. Like, I know what else is out there. But there's this difficult situation where people are going to now, if you raise the rates, they're going to be like, what the hell are you doing? Like, what happened to your rates? Why are you raising it on me? It's funny because I have a member whose wife started and got a foundational rates 4 years ago, and I lock in foundational rates for good. He's 4 years later. He's been paying my regular rates, and he's up for renewal. And then he sent me a text that said something along the lines of, "I see that you raised your rates 18% for a year, 1 year." And I was like, are you doing like recon on my business? Like, what are you trying to get at? Of course I didn't answer him. Of course he's trying to negotiate. But the point is, if people think that they can get less from you, they're going to try to get less from you. So you might as well not even give them an option. So what do? I mean, you have to consider what you're offering. You have to consider your competition. And you have to ask yourself, okay, how much pain am I realistically willing to endure? Because there are going to be people that just say no to your higher rates off the bat. But you don't need everyone to like your rates. You just need enough people to like your rates. And then once enough people like it, it just becomes normal. It's like, that's what it is. That's just how they operate. And then the rest will fall in line. So if you're going between rates, sometimes I'll never forget this one piece of advice that a business owner gave me my first year in business. And she said, free is better than cheap. All right. You're better off giving a free trial for X period of time, letting them know that this rate exists, and then making them pay, as opposed to getting them used to a cheap price. It's like spoiling a child and then raising it. So you may want to consider that. You know what I mean? I don't need to beat this horse. Whatever you were thinking, if you were like, I'm not sure how I can make it if I charge this much money, then don't charge that much money. Like, it's not worth it. Do something else. Work for Uber. Sell your body on OnlyFans. I don't know. But just don't charge too little for your business, because you'll never be able to make that back once people get used to it. Or there'll be a lot more resistance. All right. And then you'll have to do this whole campaign about why you have to increase your rates. It's never fun. All right, so that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content on how to see success as a fitness professional or fitness in your daily life. And as always, if you're a fitness professional looking to help your clients see better success, and they're just tired of MyFitnessPal because they can't stand the journal entry process and counting calories, I highly recommend that you download my app, LifeGrade, and have your clients download my app, LifeGrade, which is the report card for your health that doesn't just measure your food intake, but your whole lifestyle, because everything matters. Sleep, step, water, stress, alcohol intake, the whole nine. And LifeGrade is going to do that for you by answering 7 questions a day. You'll get your scores and live life in an easier, healthier way. So download LifeGrade, guarantee you'll love it, and I can't wait to hear your feedback on it. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with more content, but in the meantime, always remember to eat healthy, hydrate, drive safe, stress levels low, get rest, don't stop anybody, love your clients, they'll love you back. I'll see y'all tomorrow or the next day, and you have a good one.